If you want to get 1000 followers real quick on TikTok, this is the video you should see. Because this is the way that I have done it before. As you can see here, this is my new videos. But before that, I used this trick to get 1000 followers really quick, because only when you have 1000 followers that TikTok will allow you to put your clickable link here, so that when people visit your profile, they can click on your link. So what is the secret? Now you can go to your home page right here, and then you go to the search bar. You can look for videos like this. This is the keywords: motivation movies or movies. Basically, you need to choose the types of movies that are related to your niche, right? So if you are in the affiliate marketing niche, motivation movies are really great. So now let's check these videos. As you can see, these are general movies clip that you can take it down and upload on your channel, and it can help you to get 1000 followers really fast, because this video can go viral really quick. I experienced it before, and just like the first day, I have 4 videos going viral. Like they got 1 million views, and then I get 10k followers really quick. Okay, so from my experience, I suggest that you should post around 5 to 10 or even 20 videos a day. It's okay, as long as you get your first 1000 followers, and then you can stop and start working on your own niche. Okay, so that's it for the tip. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, you can follow my profile right here. And this is Sydney from hithanhdotcom.